If you are low income earners, like we talked in OAS video, if you didn't see that, you can go back in there. So if you are in low income earners, and you can get another benefit from the government, and that's called a GIS, Guaranteed Income Supplement. So this is for someone who is eligible to get OAS, which means your income has to be low enough to get. So how much can you get this GIS? So I am just reading from Canada.ca, and depends on your marital status, and there is different income levels. Let's say if you are single or widowed, and your maximum monthly payment amount is $959.26. That's from January to March 2022. So your annual income, if to get this $959, your annual income must be less than $19,464. It's very, very low. But if you have higher than that, and then so you won't get the maximum, but you will still get a portion of it. So if you have a spouse or common law partner, and your spouse and common law partner receives full OAS pension, the maximum monthly payment amount is $577.43, and your annual income plus annual income, so your combined annual income with your partner should be less than $25,000. And if your spouse or common law partner does not receive OAS pension, your maximum is $959.26 when your combined income is less than $46,000. And also, if your spouse and common law partner receives the allowance, when your combined income is less $35,000, and your maximum is $577.43. So it is complicated, but you just have to know there is something like that, and it will adjust with your income. So this is not something that you have to apply either, thank God, because this is very confusing and the number changes all the time. You just have to know there is something like that available if you are in the low income bracket. And so if you are qualified, and the government CRA will pay you automatically. So if you know that you might expecting to have GIS, and it is very important that you do your tax return on time, because that's where the income was shown, so that's how they pay you according to the tax return. Okay, just some stats that I found about GIS. So in 2011, there were 34% of OAS beneficiaries received some sort of GIS. And again, GIS is like an OAS, they're like the one package. So both of them are funded by the taxpayers' dollars, and so there will be clawback if your income is higher than a certain level, just like OAS. So for people who work, like seniors who work during their retirement years, then it will probably impact their GIS payments. So that's something that to keep in mind. And again, because our society is aging, and there are so many people are retiring right now, with baby boomers all step into the retirement stage, and there are speculations out there to say if OAS, while receiving age is from 65 What will that push into 65 pushing to 67? We don't know. How much GIS we will get if you're in low income bracket when you retire, we don't know, because it's a government benefit and it really depends on the tax revenue and all sorts of things, like, and it's so far away from us. And also, like, work harder, because I don't think it's, yes, there is payment there, but I don't think that will help you have a very fulfilled retirement years if you are rely on like the guaranteed supplement, income supplement, because you have to have very low income to get that. And I don't want that. For me, I don't want that kind of money. I want to have a fulfill retirement, to do things that I like to do. So help yourself to fund your retirement. Don't wait until the government to give you something, because they can give you and they cannot give you, right? And really invest now, prepare now, and plan now when you're young and time is on your side. And when you are older, you look back, you will definitely thank yourself for doing this. All right? Okay, so that's everything that I have for today. And thank you for watching. If you like these topics, please subscribe, share, and like. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.